Roxanne. Welcome to my backyard.
And I'm Scott McCauley at McCauley Construction, and we're here today to reduce the risk of combustible fences. During wildfires, fences can act as wicks, drawing flames and fire towards homes.
So with that in mind, while I was designing my fence, I wanted it to not only be fire resistant, but also work with the aesthetics of my home. In addition, I wanted the materials to be durable, long lasting, and also be easily repaired and maintained. So Scott and I have been working out the details of how to bring this to life. So what I chose was hardy siding panels covered with batten boards on my side of the fence. And on my neighbor's side of the fence is galvanized corrugated steel that is also aesthetically pleasing, but a little less expensive.
Both excellent options, so let's get to it.
Woohoo!
Okay, step one, we're gonna excavate, dig all the holes here along our line, which we've established here with this string. We're going to make our post 80 inches apart to accommodate our 16-inch panels. We're gonna call 811 before we dig, make sure all the utilities are marked. Step two, we're gonna set the post here. So the first thing we do is we put a little bit of tar on the bottom of the post. This gives it a little extra longevity in the ground. Then what we do is put a couple of inches of crushed rock at the base of the hole. That keeps the water that drains down between the post going all the way down through the soil and not rotting out the bottom of the post. So then we set our post with the gravel actually and get it on all sides, maybe one more bag. That way we're able to plumb up the post with the gravel, get it all secure, gives us our proper drainage, and then we'll come back afterwards and put about 2 feet of concrete. Okay, step three, we're gonna install the frame of the fence now, which is gonna consist of these horizontal 2x4s with a 2x6 cap and a 2x6 base. So in this instance, we're using a 2x6 bottom rail, and for our kicker, we're actually using this landscape edging. So we cut a slot in the bottom of the 2x6, put the edging in there, and then we're gonna knock this down with a sledgehammer. And the reason why we have to be out of the dirt this far is because the fiber cement siding cannot be within 6 inches of the finished soil here. Okay, so now we're gonna install the top rail. And we put these little brackets in here that hold the 2x4 in place. So that's gonna go just like that. And that's where we'll attach the top of our fiber cement board. Okay, step four, we install the panels. Now that our framing is all complete, we're gonna be using corrugated metal on this side and fiber cement board on the other side. Both materials are non-combustible and resistant to embers and heat. So as you put these panels together, any material you're using, you want to make sure that you're not getting any gaps anywhere where embers can land in there and cause a fire. Okay, so now we're ready for our fiber cement side of the fence. So we're using these 16-inch wide panels, and they're gonna go on like so. And then we've got a nice piece of fire-resistant siding on there. Now, also I should mention, underneath this hardy plank, you want to put Tyvek or some similar flashing on there so that you're not getting direct contact between the fiber cement and the pressure treated. So anyway, we're gonna go like that, and then there'll be a batten over every groove, like so, and then one in between. So on this fence, she's chosen the battens to be about 6 inches apart.
Okay, right there?
Mm-hmm. You don't want to force these tight, but you want to have them snug but not forced. And you just want to follow manufacturer's installation instructions.
Yeah. Got it? Yeah.
Step 5, paint. I'm choosing to paint because I want to match the color of my house. Well, we're all done building the fence, and I think we hit all the marks.
We sure did. We've got a beautiful, long-lasting, and fire-resistant fence.
And it was a great team effort.
It was.
Way to go.
Yep.